Hi, it's us again. This is update number 3 on the Lodi house, and we're finally in for permits. So we'll give you a little run through on our plans, what we are thinking we're going to do in terms of construction, what's handed over to the city for review, and we'll just give you a walkthrough of the backyard and also inside the house. A lot has changed in the backyard. We still have been taking a ton of foliage out and trees out. It was way overgrown, hadn't seen any love in at least 4 years, and so we're just thinking we'll just start from scratch. A little history on the house. The house was purchased by the Melby family back in 1954, and they were the original owners of the house up until we purchased it, and so it had stayed in the family. So we're hoping as we do this remodel we honor the heritage of the 1954 house a little bit, but then also modernize it and make it nice and bright, and our forever home as we move to Lodi. All right, looking forward to showing it off to you. This is the existing floor plan of the Melby house, and it had 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms over on this side, a laundry room, a kitchen nook, but everything's kind of blocked off. And this is the front door that I took you through earlier on. Now, the new house will still have 2 bathrooms, but we're changing the primary bedroom into a bathroom, and we're adding a big bedroom here. That's the 225 square foot that we're adding. The laundry room turns into a mudroom, and then the kitchen is open plan where it's going to be completely open now. And then the feature item is a 12-foot sliding glass door looking out into the backyard, and that'll look beautiful once we have it fully landscaped. And once again, this is the front door, and then these are open going up through into the dining room area. And we're adding a small office craft room too.